Alright, so in this video we're going to change the fluid in a new venture gear or new process gear 242 transfer case. The process should be very similar for pretty much any unit, but this happens to be a 242 that I swapped into a Grand Cherokee. So before you do anything, you want to open the fill plug, make sure you can get that open. And then after you open the fill plug, you open the drain plug, let everything drain out, and then use a hand pump to fill this back up. It's pretty straightforward, so let's get things cracking here. This is a 10mm Allen key. There it goes. So we crack that loose, and we do the bottom one. And we watch the old fluid drain out. Put the camera down for a second. Obviously have your drain pan ready to go. It's best to do this when the unit is warm too. This fluid's barely warm. Looks like just regular, good old ATF. So we'll let that drain for a while. Alright, so I got the drain plug back in, took the fill plug out. I'm going to use just automatic transmission fluid. ATF +4. And I'm using a simple hand pump, not much to it. So you just stick this in here and pump away. Very tedious. I won't bore you with the details. Alright, so I got all the transmission fluid pumped in, and I got the drain and fill plug back in, obviously, and so this service is just about done. And you want to check this fluid periodically. I mean, it really shouldn't use any, but just follow the manufacturer recommended change interval. And it takes about maybe just a quart and change, like maybe a quart and a quarter or something like that. That was a tiny bit short, so I just used another type of ATF that I had just to top it off. I mean, there's very little that I had to add, so good to go.